God. Who am to run the race without my God? Because when my God is in the race, I have grace. God can see me when I am weak. I can run, I can walk, and when I fall. In 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9, he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made in weakness." God's grace doesn't only help me when I fall, but in Jude 1 verse 24, it says, God will also keep me from falling.
R is for relationship. Every great athlete has a relationship with their coach. Anybody who is saved by grace will worship. God will worship God. This means reading the Bible and praying every day, making the Word come alive in their life. As we get closer to God, He will get closer to us.
A is for activity. We can't win a race without exercise. When we became like Jesus, we will live an active life like Him. He helped the poor, He healed the sick, He fed the hungry. God's grace puts us in action.
C is for courage and confidence. We need courage and confidence to run this race. Hebrews 4 verse 16 says, "Let us approach God's throne with confidence, so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help us in our time of need."
E is for evangelism. This race is not a swift, but ye that shall endure unto the end. To be a great runner, you must take care of your feet. Romans 10 verse 15 says, "How beautiful your feet, those who preach good news."
We cannot run the race without grace. Are you ready? On your mark, ready, set, go. Go by God's grace.